So have you just formatted your hard drive by accident? Well, the best thing you can do is nothing. Don't use it, don't even touch it, not until you have a chance to watch this video. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to recover data from a formatted hard drive. So while it is pretty scary, this is actually a really common scenario that a lot of people find themselves in. And because of that, there are a lot of individual cases posted online with a lot of different feedback and solutions to recover files after formatting. And so basically what I've done is I've gone ahead and compiled all of the best information available right now so I can share it with you so that you can fix this issue yourself. My name is Andrew, and if you have any further issues or questions after watching this video, be sure to leave a comment down below along with the kind of drive that you're using, and we might be able to help you out a little bit further if you're stuck. Now, the first step in a case like this is to stop using the drive, literally. Regardless of if it's an external or an internal hard drive, don't try to open it or use it in any way. Don't attempt to save any files to the drive, don't try to run any CMD commands on it, don't try to reinstall your operating system, none of that. And the reason for this is because while we can't access the data right now, it's actually all still there, albeit in a more vulnerable state. And so if we try to copy or transfer anything to or from it right now, we risk harming the data that's been formatted. So just set it aside for now. We'll come back to it in a little bit. Now, the second step is to prepare a drive to recover all of your files too. Now this is pretty straightforward. It can actually either be a separate partition on the drive itself, or it can be a separate drive with ample space to accommodate all your files. Just make sure that it's functioning normally on your PC and that it has ample space, and you should be good to go. And finally, step 3 is to choose our recovery software, which is going to be the only way to recover files from a formatted hard drive. Because like I said earlier, all of our files are still there, and we can access them even after formatting using recovery software. Now, as for what software, there's a ton of options out there, many of which I've actually reviewed in separate videos, which you can find on our channel. However, based on both numerous user reviews as well as my own personal experience, for this case today, we're going to be choosing a software called Disk Drill. I like using it because it combines both professional grade tools and recovery algorithms, and it's effective in a wide range of cases, regardless of the file system of your drive or the types of files that you lost, even if the file system is damaged or the drive is raw. It's a great option that in this case should give us the results that we're looking for. And so here's how you can use Disk Drill to recover files from a formatted hard drive. Step 1, download Disk Drill from the official website linked in the description. Before installing, ensure you install it to a location that is not the drive that you formatted. With the installer open, you can change the install location under the options menu. Step 2, launch Disk Drill, and if you haven't already, connect your formatted hard drive to your PC. Step 3, we can now scan the drive, either by scanning it directly, or if you suspect your drive was corrupted, creating a byte-to-byte backup and scanning that instead. But either way, while in the recovery panel, simply select your drive from the list, hit search for lost data, and if prompted, select universal scan. Now, as Disk Drill scans your hard drive, you will begin to see files populate on the screen as colored categories, which is how you know you're making progress and Disk Drill is finding your files. Step 4, once the scan is finished, you can see all that was found, as well as review the files by using this button in the top right corner of the screen. Now, something else to note here is Disk Drill often uses signature scanning on formatted file systems. As a result, most of the files you're looking for will likely be in the reconstructed folder. Now here you can review all of the formatted files that were found during the scan. While reviewing the files, you can take advantage of features such as viewing them in a list or an icon view, ordering them by type, size, date modified, and even recovery chances. And in addition, as you're looking through them, you can preview individual files such as photos, videos, and documents right inside of Disk Drill. Simply select the one you want to preview, expand the preview window, and this will give you a complete real-time preview of that file. This is a clutch free feature of Disk Drill that helps you ensure which files are recoverable before upgrading to the Pro version. And finally, step 5. Once you've found the files you want to recover, select them with the check mark, hit recover in the bottom right, and choose a save location separate from the drive you are recovering from. This is important because it will prevent overwriting. And finally, hit next, and this will export all of your recovered files to your chosen save location. And you can access them immediately through Disk Drill, and they are all safe and just the same as though they were never formatted in the first place. But that's it. That is how you recover files from a formatted hard drive. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more data recovery videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel as well. But that's going to be all for today's video. My name is Andrew, and I will see you soon with something new.